Hi everyone! So in this video I decided this evening that I would make my signature, no I'm joking, it's not a signature, a milkshake, and it's just like Shakeaway but at home, and obviously so much cheaper. Once you get the ingredients, so much cheaper than going to Shakeaway itself. For those of you who don't know, in England there's a milkshake place called Shakeaway, and you can get literally anything in a milkshake. So they put ice cream and milk, and then you can put like Skittles and like biscuits and chocolate or random like just anything, and like they've got this big array of things. I'll put an overlay of a picture or something. But yeah, so my favourite one I can do at home, and I'm going to show you how to do it because it's literally so yummy. And yeah, come find me. So first I'm going to get out measuring cup, and then this is really old, so don't mind this, and then a nice whizzy blendery thing. If you're under age, use parents because this is sharp. It's this part, and obviously the other end goes on there. So come on over. As you can see, like leftover boo cake from last week. But I'm going to plug this in. I apologise for the dodgy socket here. It is completely fine and safe. It's just not quite on the wall very well. My dad hasn't got around to sorting it out. That's on. I'll put this end part here. You guys know how to do this. And then, but it is a bit noisy because again, it's really old. And I'm going to get the ice cream and look. So I do apologise for those of you who do not drink the red milk, which is the, skimmed milk, which is the super watery milk. For this, in this instance, I'm going to use this one because there is more of this, and we are running out of the green milk, which is semi-skimmed milk, and Boo will need it for breakfast, or I'll need it for my hot chocolate. But it's going to be mixed, so you shouldn't really, taste the difference, but you can use any milk. You can use like the green full fat milk or whatever you have in your fridge at the time. The other thing I am using is just a cheap Tesco Ms. Molly's sauce scoop vanilla ice cream. I don't know why they call it sauce scoop because it's not a sauce scoop or whatever. And then in my milkshake I'm putting lovely scrummy Maltesers because this is my favourite one. So when I go to Shakeaway, which is not very often because it's far away. We had one near where I live, but they closed down. So anyway, I have Maltesers. Sometimes Maltesers and Bueno, but more often Maltesers and Ferrero Rocher. As you can see, this is a rather large box. This is from my birthday. Those of you who have seen my vlog, you would have seen this. I did also get some before this, and I also for Christmas I think, and I got some more for my birthday from my brother and his girlfriend. So I still have those. I'm working my way through them slowly. But anyway, there is no measuring in this, so just chuck it in there. Chuck it in there. That'll do. That'll do. Forgot a spoon. Tablespoon, that's the one, tablespoon. You can tell I don't bake or cook very often. I have a husband for that. And also currently a mum. You can probably hear him giggling in the background there. That won't be enough, but for now, I'm just going to put that in, and then these are leftover Maltesers. 1, 2, usually about 8 to 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use them all up. Now, as you can see, I'm like, it's a thing of mine. I have to like eat the chocolates in a certain pattern. Give me a comment down below, and those of you tell me like if you have to do the same kind of thing. It's not just me being weird. And I'm going to take, now I'm going to do 2. I'm going to put these 2 in. So now they look like cute little flowers. Yay! Anyway, just me being random. I'm going to put these here. Also, I don't know if you can tell from over there, but they have like slightly gone white. Can you see everything from over there, or do you need to come over?
I can see.
Actually see what I'm doing. Come on. Can you see they've gone slightly white?
Bloomed.
Bloomed. There you go, bloomed. Because I've had them for a while. Anywho, right. I will mute this a bit so you do not hear the horrible sound it makes. So, as you can see, it's still very watery. So this is where, opening a nice fresh one. How satisfying is that? Smooth. And let's see how soft scoop this is, although it's been sitting on the side for like a few minutes. Not too bad. Lift this up without making too much of a mess. And then putting that in there. So awkward when I only have 2 hands. Why humans made with 2 hands? Please tell me this. Right, I'll ask God, Jesus, why did you make us with 2? Right. Right, it's a bit stuck there, so I'm gonna scrape it down. Basically, I just keep adding the ice cream to this until it's like a decent thickness. I may or may not use this big chunky thick layer.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Excuse
I mean, it's only me that's eating it anyway, so. I say eat because it's more of an eaty drink, I suppose, because you eat ice cream, and I usually make this quite thick, so I eat the ice cream but from the tub. What it's looking like? Yummy scrubby! I like that analogy, it's a good analogy. But you weren't recording when you said that, were you?
No.
Darn it.
For everyone at home's pleasure, I said it sounds like a dinosaur dying.
It does, it does. And I scoop anything that's like all stuck in here. Obviously you don't lick it, never ever lick this, as tempting as it is, because of the sharp
Blade.
Blade, thank you. My little brain. It's the end of the day, okay? Like, start not working anymore. So, I will then take this off whilst making a mess, clearly. Put it in the sink. Because this is just for me, I slam it and just keep it in this. But of course, you can literally put it in a ordinary person's glass and then stick a straw in it if you want, because it's like really thick. And I sometimes like to sprinkle some Maltesers on the top, so have a nice little treat at the end. But yeah, this is my updated version of how I make my real chocolate in their milkshake, because I did one years ago, probably about 10 or 11 years ago. I'll link it down below or in the cards somewhere, so you can, you know, look back on how much younger I was and the different house, and I'm joking. Anyway, that was a very plain, simple way of making it back in the day, and this is my new Shakeaway version of that. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope it wasn't too random. I hope it was nice and easy to follow, because I'm not trying to insult anyone's intelligence, but it's pretty nice and simple. And again, if you need any help from an adult, please ask an adult, a responsible adult, because some of us aren't that responsible. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe, because I'll do random other videos sort of like this maybe in the future if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.